MS Access web browser. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to turn our form into our browser, a web browser, and show you how to navigate to different pages. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you what we are going to do. Eric here is asking, he has a list of part numbers, and one of the fields in the table contains the URL where he can find more information about the part number, about the part. He's wondering if there is a way to do that, to view the web page on the Access. Alright, let's I have tried this already and worked, so now I'm going to share with you what I learned. You see how I did that one earlier? Alright, so let me show you what I found out. Let me show you what I found now. Alright, let's create a new one. Alright, I'm going to use the same name that I created earlier. Website, display website page. Display web page. Alright, let's go in there. I'm going to do the same name. Display web page. Obviously, I have already touched this theory. Alright, and so Eric, I really hope that you're watching this, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna show you how to get this thing easy. I mean, like nothing to it. Alright, like nothing to it. Alright, so that's how we're gonna do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's help him out. We gotta help him out. We gotta help all people out. Right here, I'm going to add the form header. Alright. Yeah, we're always trying to help people out, you know. Add this this button right here. This text right here. Right about there. That's good. Right about there. Alright, let's name this guy. Let's call this guy web URL, web address. That sounds more like a standard. And let's call this text box txt web URL, just like that. Alright, we're gonna dress this guy up just a tad. Select both of them, and we're gonna do the full color to text 1. Text 1 there. Everything else looks fine. I mean, I'm not gonna dance, you know, too much with this. I'm just gonna make it happen. That's all. Alright, I'm just gonna make it happen. That looks nice right there. Let's take a look. What does it look like? Okay, it looks good. Alright, obviously we don't want this record selector and navigation, so let's remove them. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's save this guy. Let's call it a web browser. Alright. Obviously we need to have a web browser in here, just like it says. Alright, so let's remove what I just said to do here. You see this navigation button? No. Selector? No. How about scroll bars? How about just vertical? Vertical only. That looks good right there. Alright. And now let's go to the control right here. We're going to add this web control. I'm just going to move this guy like so. We're not interested in anything here. Just selecting existing file or web page right there and cancel. That's all. Alright. So let's move that guy to the very edge. And obviously we're going to expand this booger out. Alright. We're going to expand this guy out. As a matter of fact, hold on here. Yeah, let's move that away. Grab this little handle. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna expand this guy out. Alright, see this control? Let's name this control a web browser. Web browser, our name, not his name. And now let's do arrange, anchor, down and across. Alright. So we're gonna be entering the website here. Alright. And how about on change is not good, on focus is not good. I wonder if the mouse down would work. How about key down, key up, key press? How about on exit? Let's see if we do this. What does it mean? What does it mean? Alright, we're gonna do that. And here, what we want, okay, what we want here, let me show you what we want. We want private or our own web browser. Alright, we're gonna create our own web browser as web browser. Alright, and here we're going to say private sub display. We cannot use the same name of the application. Let's see, what do we name this guy? Display web page. See there? This is booger. Hey, this is not good right here. So display website page. We'll have this name differently. Alright, let's name it differently. Alright, now we are going to set our browser. Let's see, we set browser equals this browser, this web browser on the control. Alright, with the object. Okay, so we want to display all the objects in there, in here, and this is the only way to get all the stuff loaded up here. Alright, all the stuff loaded up there. Our browser itself is not going to do anything, but we're going to use this object. Alright, and I'm going to say silent right here equals true, but I'm going to comment that out to show you why most people are having issues with. Alright, and here we want to say navigate to me web URL. Alright, but now before we get there, we gotta do something here. We gotta dance too. If not is no web URL, then you do this for me. You see there? We want to make sure that we have something in our address bar. Okay? Alright, and here we can just say copy there, and here we can just say call. I think the exit would work, so we'll find now, won't we? There. Alright, just like that, just like that. I think that looks good. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, now we're gonna add the default. Should we add the default? Let's see if this works. We are gonna say first off, we're gonna name our browser as MS Access Web Browser. There. And then we're gonna say the current URL is is, how about this guy? Who is that guy? Alright, and what if we do this? I'm gonna copy that, call that. Alright, so you will notice something's weird on this guy. Alright, it's going to give you errors. Okay, it's going to give you errors, and that's it. That's probably it. That's real lame, right? Real easy. Alright. Pop argument not optional. So okay. Let's try cancel false. Oh, we got a call. So anytime you make a call, you gotta use parentheses. My bad. Let's try this. Alright. See if that works. If it doesn't like false, we're gonna put a number 1 in there. Alright, let's try it. Okay. We got somewhere. Oh, this one is a set. My bad. Got you. Set. So yeah, you and I are working together. Alright. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. You get this thing running like, okay, I intercepted an error. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to continue? Yes. So here's what we want to do. If we say, hey, be silent, just shut up. Just tell the browser to shut up. I don't want to hear anything from you. And then you just do like that. Alright, so I'm going to close that. Let's see if it works. Well, it doesn't. So that on exit doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't have place to go. It can't exit. So let's do some. Well, if that doesn't work, we can do this. We can do after update, right? We can do after update. I'm going to show you after update. After update, and then we'll take this cancel out, and then we'll take this guy out. That should be just fine. All right. So let's take a look at it again. Close. Oh, duh. Like that. My bad. We changed the name, but we never update the call. Look at that. Let's try that again, mister. Let's try that again. Alright. Hit enter. Enter. And so you can play with this event, alright, to make sure it works for you. But you can basically go ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Look at that. Here is an idea. I'm going to show you an idea. Do you want me to show you ideas? Maybe. All right, let me show you an idea. I'm going to give you an idea. Well, already come up with an idea. Basically, what you want is maybe a list on this left-hand side here. All right. If you just want to look at the part, all right, add a list on the left with the part number and the URL, and then get rid of this address bar, all right, like so. Let me show you. For instance, let me show you. Have a I'm just going to draw this out for you. All right. Have a list of products right here on this side. All right, list of products here. It could be a subform. All right, get rid of this guy. Okay, and then click on each one of these, call this guy. All right, call this function, and it will display the information from the website for you, mister. Alright, it will display. Guarantee you. If you want to make a click from a sub form to display this guy on this form, you watch my videos. I have a whole bunch of them, at least 50 of them out there. Alright, you can basically tweak this, alright, and display this guy here easily. Anyway, I'm gonna close that out without saving. And I really like this nice and easy control here. You know what? Let's get a little fancier. Before I stop, before I say done, I'm gonna get a little fancier. I'm gonna make this guy there. Pop up, yes. What else do I want to make? Okay, I want to go here. Let me show you. I like to make my stuff, you know, nice and pretty. I'm gonna say do command maximize. Give me a maximize. All right. So now we can close it out. All right, Eric, you see that? Type in your. That's how you do it, mister. That is just how you do it. You can basically navigate through anything here. Look at that. Is reality subjective or objective, mister? Think about it. And last time I updated this was back in 2010. I got tired. Alright. So, but anyways, that was way back when, 10 some years ago. Alright. Yeah. You can just navigate through any, you can just type in any website. Alright, let's see if we can do Google. Look at that. How about maps? Holy moly. Like I said, it's not that big a deal. Alright, don't make, don't think it's not possible. Alright, there you have it. Now, one thing that I can suggest to you. Alright, you see I don't have a back button and forward button. Alright, you can implement that. Alright, let me show you how to implement that. I'm not going to do it for you, but I'm going to show you. There is an object. Alright, there is an object called, you can add a button and do this. Web browser. And oh, hold on. What's the? Let me copy that. I misspelled that. You see that? Let me copy that. Now you can add two buttons. One is previous. One is back. One is forward. All right, and you can do this. Go backward. Go back. So add a button. I create an event and say go back, and then call this guy, and then another button call forward, and then call this guy. Alright, and make sure this browser is way up here. Alright, we just want to set a browser here, and we want to set all on object, this object, alright, to the current control. That way we can grab all the objects in there. Alright, so that's how that works. That's easy. Alright, there you have it, mister. There you have it. You can I don't have a back button to go back. Alright, but I can type anything in here, anything. How about MSN? Dang, look at that. No, it's still using a native IE, so but that's alright. Native IE still supports. Alright, you can still work with all that stuff. So that's how you get where is it, Eric? And that's how you are going to get your part information. Alright, there you have it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel now, with all that time and effort I put into helping you out. Alright, happy programming, people. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. and also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.